Hello guys, I'm going to be playing another game which is called Subway Surfers. So yeah, I died. I'm doing this challenge. I really want to beat this because I don't know what I get from it. I hope something good. But can y'all like and subscribe, please, please. I need this. Yeah, that's kind of embarrassing. Sorry, my bad. And guys, can you please get us to like 1,000? Cause next month is my birthday, and I really want to get 1,000 subs before my birthday. So can y'all make that happen? I really want to. I really want that to happen, but I'm gonna lose. Gracious, gracious, gracious! I hate my life, bro. Yo. Okay. I don't know hoverboard. Oh, that's not a new hoverboard. That's fake. What about keys, bro? Yo. Add friends? Who's friends? What? What? Okay. I'm good. Even though I'm offline, but well, I'm not offline. My Wi-Fi's working, but yeah, so I'm good. After this, I might just drink some water and then just go to bed. Like, you know. My sister beated one. I don't know how, so I want to try and grind up for that. Whatever she beated. I'm gonna try and get something, bro. Like I wanna. What I own. What's this? Friends collection. No, I'm not doing that, man. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that, man. Okay, bro. I have a single goddamn thing, bro. Do I? What's this? Oh, nice. Okay. I'm going to play this. If I could just hurry up and collect all these. What's an ad for this? Oh, bet. Let me get this Trixie Girl Avatar, whatever this is. Just be right back. Rip. It didn't even give me a single good thing. Like, it didn't give me anything. Which was dumb. Oh my god, I did. At least I got double. But it doesn't matter. But let's just get into this thing. That top run is 4,000 or 100,000. But I hate this game. I'm doing it. I had to. I do because I haven't played this game so long. What word did I get? Style? Is that nice? Well, I haven't put in Subway Surfers on my channel, so that's what I'm gonna do for today. But my skills are so bad. Like, I just don't know what. Oh my god, I got I'm not doing it. I'm doing this. I'm going to beat the record, and I'm not. I'm going to do it. I'm telling you, I'm gonna beat it. I'm gonna actually do it. Need two more letters. Come on. I know we could do this. Come on. If I'm just smart enough to like beat the game. Well, on my sister's account, it's like 700. I did 756 top run. That's pretty insane. Because I never did that. I almost got 1,000,000. I mean, I tried. I'm doing the ad. Okay, bro, skip the ad. It's annoying, bro. Because I keep clicking so much. But I did the ad so I could get this. I beat the record. A high score, too. 47? I did not know I had this much, man. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. What if I die again, bro? I would be so mad. Like, you don't even know how mad. Yo, I hate this game. Oh my god. The guard almost catched the ball. Like, come on. Thought I died for a second. Man, I would crash it. Oh, wow. Oh, daily high score beating. Okay, bro, we're halfway there to this top run player. Oh! I almost screamed right there. I almost screamed! No! Why am I so lucky? Why am I so lucky with this game, man? What is this music, bro? I hate this game! Oh my god, dude, I'm skipping. Alright, I'm done with the ad. I got the reward, and if I die again, I'm just kidding. If I just die, bro, like, I'm not gonna... Oh! Holy crap, holy crap, holy actual crappy bad. Chicken fried chicken burger. No! I thought that was, oh my god, why am I so dumb, bro? Oh my god. I'm skipping. Yo, bro, I'm getting tired of these ads. Like, I thought there was like I thought I couldn't make. I didn't see that part. I didn't see the part. And I thought it was just a train. Man, if I had that magnet, I would have found it. Oh my god, this is why I hate this game. Oh my god, this is why I actually hate this game. How did I nah, bro, this game sucks. Nah, bro. Bro, I'm so tired of this game. I literally jumped and I didn't get the reward. That's crazy. Oh my god. This is why I lose. This is why I don't like that jumper. It's annoying though. Like, I always like that. I have 95,000 left. Oh my god. Yo! Nah, I'm skipping. I'm done. Like, I am going to say the N-word right now. I am literally going to say the N-word right now, bro. Yo. Bro. Oh my god. I hate this game. I'm quitting this game. Next video, I'm going to show you of me deleting the whole game, bro. Next week's video, I'm gonna delete this game. I promise you. If I lie, just cancel me. Like, on God, if I lie, just cancel me. Cancel me. Like, do it, please. Cause, bro, I'm so mad, bro. I'm so mad. I'm sick and tired. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Road to 1,000 subscribers before my birthday comes. My birthday is December 28th. So guys, bye bye.